generation thinks of its election as seminal. This is the most important election. It is going to be a crossroads. It's going to change things. But elections are elections in a democracy. They're all of the same pattern. They're always targeted towards reform, but there is a want of courage. Most Filipinos are overabundant in conversation, dialogue, judgment, criticism, but they have very little amount of moral courage. There has to be a sense of shared destiny. What happens to my neighbor and to my to the persons I come across with should be taken as happening to me. This is the saying that not in my backyard. Yun bang, we want all problems to be in other person's life, but not in ours. So we don't have what I said, the moral courage to fight for our principle. To do this, we have to change our president as we are mandated to do. So we must remember, first of all, that before we can have a good president, we must have a good voter. Ang problema sa atin, kung minsan, ang karamihan, ang akala nila, ang pagboto ng presidente ay that's entertainment. Pinipili lang nila ang nakakaaliw sa kanila o sinasabi nilang kursunada ko ito at makikipag-away na sila na hindi naman nila kilala mabuti yung tao. Kaya tingnan natin, saan nag-eskwela yung tao? Nag-honor graduate ba yan? Kung magaling talaga yan, di naging honor student yun. At magaling ba ang pakita niya kung doktor man siya, abogado man siya, o arkitekto, o inhinyero? Magaling ba ang pakita niya bilang isang professional? At pangatlo, yan ba'y hindi ginagawa ng istorya tungkol sa honesty? Hindi siya talaga nagnanakaw ng pera ng gobyerno. Good luck to all of us in these elections.
Senator Miriam, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Senator Miriam.